Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to configure Ether channel in between these two switches. So right here you can see that spanning tree is blocking G02 because we have two cables plugged into the switch, so it's blocking a loop from happening. So let's go create our Ether channel, and we're going to basically bond G01 and G02 into a virtual interface, and we should be able to utilize the bandwidth in between both of those ports and have redundancy. So if we were to run a command show spanning tree, we can see right here G01 is the root port, G02 is being blocked. So let's go and configure our Ether channel on port G01 and G02. So first thing we want to do is go into configuration mode and get into both of these interfaces. So we're going to do interface range, and we're going to say G0/1 space dash space 2 to get into both of the interfaces. So now we are in both of the interfaces. So what we're going to do now is say channel group, let me tab it out for you. So now we have to give it a number. In packet tracer we have 1 through 6. Depending on what kind of switch you have, you may have more. We're going to just use 1. We're going to tab it out, and we're going to say mode, and right here is asking us how do we want to set it. We're going to use active, and that's going to enable LACP. So let's say active. Let's go into that interface now. It should have created us a port channel. Let's just verify. You can see we have port channel here. So now let's go into that port channel. Basically, we're going to turn that port channel into a trunk port. Alrighty, let's get out of here. Let's verify our config. So right here we have port channel. It's in the trunk mode, and we look at G01, G02. It's tied to that channel group, which is also pointing to that port channel above. So now let's go into the other switch. And we're going to basically put the same exact command. So we're going to do channel group. Alrighty, you can see our port channel just came up. So now let's go into the port channel itself. Alrighty, let's verify our configs. You see here we have our interface port channel. It's in the trunk mode. And if we go down to the bottom, we can see that interface G01 and G02 are both tied to this channel group 1. So now if we go back to this other switch, you can see all of our lights are green now. We don't have any amber lights. So let's see, earlier when we ran our command about spanning tree, we had G01, that was the root port, and G02 was being blocked. But now we shouldn't even see these ports anymore. We should see the port channel. So if we do show spanning tree again, there you go. We only see port channel, which is a root port, and we don't even see those G01, G02. Now if we do show interface trunk, we also see just the port channel. right here. Oh, sorry. Right here. It's going to see this interface port channel because G01 and G02 is basically tied to that interface. Alright guys, so that's how you configure Ether channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.